SafeLink Wireless provides subsidized communication services through two federal programs. The Lifeline program offers voice services, while ACP provides broadband subsidies. Recertification is the mandatory annual process to confirm your continued eligibility. As of October 2025, the easiest way to recertify is via the SafeLink app or website. You likely qualify if your household income is at or below 135% of the federal poverty guidelines, or you participate in programs like Medicaid, SNAP, or SSI. Watch for recertification reminders 60 days before your deadline to avoid service interruption. To recertify, log into the SafeLink app or website. Submit updated proof of income, address, and program participation by uploading digital documents. Approval typically takes 24 to 48 hours. If you lack digital access, call SafeLink's toll-free helpline at 1-800-378-1684 for assistance. Remember, failure to recertify within 60 days of the due date leads to service suspension. The ACP funding, vital for these subsidies, requires congressional reauthorization, so stay informed about program updates.